Hello viewers, Realme Wi-Fi not connecting, showing this error obtaining IP address. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all go to settings. Now scroll down and find system. Now go to system settings. Scroll down, click on reset phone. From here, reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now click on reset. Restart your phone only for power off and on. After all steps, now go to settings, go to Wi-Fi and forget connected Wi-Fi. Now reconnect Wi-Fi again. Enter password correctly. Now see Wi-Fi connected. If still problem not resolved, then check your Wi-Fi connection or contact with internet service provider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.